So hello guys, today we are gonna solve some questions for MP Group 2 Subgroup 3 which will be helpful in your exam. So without wasting our time, let we start. The first question is, with reference to Trishul Peak in Himalayas, which of the following statement is are correct? Option first, it is situated in Bageshwar district of Uttarakhand. Second, the peak is more than 7,500 meter high. हिमालय के त्रिशूल पर्वत के संदर्भ में निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा कथन सही है? यह उत्तराखंड के बागेश्वर जिले में स्थित है। इसकी ऊंचाई 7,500 मीटर से अधिक है। ओनली वन, ओनली टू, बोथ वन एंड टू, नाइदर वन नॉर टू। So the correct answer for this is only one. Just because the height of the peak is 7,120 meters and it is situated in Kumaon Himalayas. Trishul Peak is part of Kumaon Himalayas and its height is 7,120 meters and also was climbed in 1907. Second question is, Anupur district of Madhya Pradesh has been identified with which ODOP product? मध्य प्रदेश के अनूपपुर जिले में किस ओडीओपी उत्पाद से पहचाना गया है? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, टोमेटो। ऑप्शन सेकंड, कोडो कुटकी मिलेट। ऑप्शन थर्ड, ग्राम चना। ऑप्शन फोर्थ, कोरिएंडर। So the correct answer for this is Kodo Kutki millet. This millet is grown in Anupur district of Madhya Pradesh. Here one more question can arise, that what is the full form of ODOP? You must know that the full form of ODOP is one district, one product. Question 3. Consider the following statement about the implementation of ODOP in Madhya Pradesh. Option first, Madhya Pradesh has identified ODOP products for all its 52 districts. Option second, the ODOP basket includes agriculture and non-agriculture products. Option third, the ODOP initiative is administered directly by RBI. मध्य प्रदेश में ODOP के कार्यान्वयन से संबंधित निम्नलिखित कथनों पर विचार करें। मध्य प्रदेश के सभी 52 जिले के लिए ODOP उत्पाद तय किए गए हैं। सेकेंड, ODOP में कृषि व गैर कृषि उत्पाद शामिल हैं। ऑप्शन थर्ड, ODOP का संचालन RBI द्वारा किया जाता है। So the correct answer for this is option number 1. The third one is wrong just because the ODOP initiative is not administered by RBI. It is a state government policy, so it can't be administered by RBI. And here one more question can arise, like it is just basic question that how many districts are there in Madhya Pradesh? You must know that there are 52 districts. And already we have discussed the full form of ODOP. Question number 4 is, consider the following statement about ODOP products of some districts in Madhya Pradesh. Damoh district ODOP product is gram. Second, Katni's district's ODOP product is Katni stone. Option third, Datia district's ODOP product is coriander seed. मध्य प्रदेश के कुछ जिलों के ODOP उत्पादों से संबंधित कथनों पर विचार करें। दमोह जिले का ODOP उत्पाद ग्राम चना है। कटनी जिले का ODOP उत्पाद कटनी स्टोन है। दतिया जिले का ODOP उत्पाद कोरिएंडर सीड धनिया बीज है। So the correct answer for this is option number 1. That is 1 and 2. Damoh district ODOP product is gram and Katni's district ODOP product is Katni stone. Question number 5. Consider the following statement regarding the objectives of the ODOP initiative. ODOP aims to promote value chain development and branding around a single identified product from each district. Under ODOP, products are selected considering the existing local ecosystem and potential for. Question number third. Only geographical indication GI tagged products are eligible for selection under ODOP. Which of the following given above is are correct? ODOP योजना के उद्देश्यों से संबंधित कथनों पर विचार करें। ODOP का उद्देश्य प्रत्येक जिले से एक चिन्हित उत्पाद के चारों ओर वैल्यू चेन विकास और ब्रांडिंग को बढ़ावा देना है। ODOP के अंतर्गत उत्पादों का चयन स्थानीय पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र, लोकल इकोसिस्टम और विकास की संभावनाओं को ध्यान में रखकर किया जाता है। ODOP के अंतर्गत केवल भौगोलिक संकेत GI टैग वाले उत्पाद ही चयन के लिए पात्र होते हैं। So for this, the option first is correct. This ODOP products does not require GI tag. Actually, it focuses on branding and packaging, and also supports self-employment for the Madhya Pradesh people. Question number 6 is वार्ली पेंटिंग इज द फॉक पेंटिंग ऑफ विच स्टेट? वार्ली चित्रकला किस राज्य की लोक चित्रकला है? ऑप्शन मणिपुर, सेकंड मिजोरम, थर्ड कर्नाटका, फोर्थ महाराष्ट्र। सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज महाराष्ट्र। ये महाराष्ट्र की एक फॉक पेंटिंग है जो वार्ली ट्राइब ही बनाती है। इसके बारे में कुछ और चीज़ें हैं, जो राइस एंड पेस्ट इसमें यूज़ किया जाता है एज वाइट कलर एंड ऑल्सो शोज डेली लाइफ एंड नेचर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स यूजेस द बैम्बो ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा राज्य बांस ड्रिप सिंचाई प्रणाली का उपयोग करता है? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट इज त्रिपुरा, ऑप्शन सेकंड इज सिक्किम, ऑप्शन थर्ड इज मेघालय, ऑप्शन फोर्थ इज असम। So the correct answer for this is Meghalaya. Basically, this is the traditional irrigation system of Meghalaya. Also, some more facts are given for the irrigation, that it is used mainly for betel leaf cultivation, and it also does not require any type of electricity or pumps. Question number 8. Barchan landforms are associated with which physical region? बाखान स्थल रूप किस भौतिकी क्षेत्र से संबंधित है? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 प्लेट्यू, सेकंड कोस्टल, थर्ड डेजर्ट, फोर्थ हिली। So the correct answer for this is these are associated with desert form. Physical region that are found in these type of deserts are found basically, or these type of landforms are basically found in Thar deserts. Some more information about these are: these forms an arid climate with one directional wind. Also, barchans are the crescent shaped sand dunes. अर्धचंद्राकार। Question number 9. Bhagoria is a folk dance of which tribe of Madhya Pradesh? भगोरिया मध्य प्रदेश के किस जनजाति का लोक नृत्य है? ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट भील, ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड गोंड, ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बैगा, ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ सहारिया। So the correct answer for this is performed by Bhil tribe of Madhya Pradesh that are basically near Jhabua and Alirajpur district of Madhya Pradesh, and it is a famous question, could be asked, and it is basically celebrated before Holi. Question number 10th. Nohodora ornamentation made of clay on the wall is the specialty of which tribe? दीवार पर मिट्टी से बनी नोहडोरा सजावट किस जनजाति की विशेषता है? So the correct answer for this is Gond tribe. Some more facts about that is it uses natural clay and colors, and also this is made during festival and marriages. Question number 11. With which sport is Rajmata Vijay Raje Scindia competition associated? First option cricket, second option hockey, third option football, fourth option chess. राजमाता विजय राजे सिंधिया प्रतियोगिता किस खेल से संबंधित है? क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल, शतरंज. दिस इज वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. So the correct answer for this is cricket. So this is a state level cricket tournament named after Rajmata of Gwalior, Scindia family. Helps identify young cricket talent. Question number 12. Indian Institute of Forest Management is located in which city? भारतीय वन प्रबंधन संस्थान किस शहर में स्थित है? इंदौर, जबलपुर, भोपाल, ग्वालियर. So the correct answer for this is option number 3, Bhopal. This was established in 1982. Established in 1982, works under Ministry of EFCC, and where EFCC stand for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. This question can also arise. What is the full form of EFCC? Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Question number 13. Which district of Madhya Pradesh has a common border with Ratlam, Dhar, Indore, Agarmalwa, Dewas and Sajapur? मध्य प्रदेश के कौन सा जिला रतलाम, धार, इंदौर, आगरमालवा, देवास और शाजापुर से लगा है? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 होशंगाबाद, सेकंड उज्जैन, थर्ड कटनी, फोर्थ छिंदवाड़ा. So the correct answer for this is Ujjain, which is Mahakal ki Nagari, located on Shipra river, and the ancient name of Ujjain is Avanti. Located on Shipra river, hosts Simhasta Kumbh Mela. So here in Ujjain, Simhast Kumbh Mela is hosted. Question number 14. In how many districts of Madhya Pradesh was the first round of Deen Dayal Antyodaya Rasoi Yojana launched? दीनदयाल अंत्योदय रसोई योजना का पहला चरण मध्य प्रदेश के कितने जिलों में शुरू हुआ? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 46, सेकंड 48, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 47, फोर्थ 49. So the correct answer for this is option number 4 49. So this basically deals with the urban poor laborers, and it is a state government schemes which provide subsidized meal to the laborers and poor peoples of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 15. With which of the following Indian state is the cultural festival of Bhagoria associated? This is a repeated question. भगोरिया सांस्कृतिक उत्सव निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य से संबंधित है? Basically we are just directly solving the question for Madhya Pradesh, so it could be the sixth sense for the people who are solving this. Must not get wrong. So the correct answer for this is Madhya Pradesh. Already discussed कि it is celebrated by Bhil tribes of Madhya Pradesh, and this is celebrated before Holi. Subscribe our channel for some more questions, and these questions will definitely help you. Thank you.